Sir, up to this we covered about list, tuple, set, and then frozen set. Have you remembered frozen? These are the 4 data types we discussed, right? But all these data types having some common point. What is that common point is, if you observe, what is this one? Can you please spell out? Immediately you have to tell square bracket representation. It is the list, sir. If it is the tuple, if it is the tuple 10, 20, 30, 40 parenthesis. Next, if it is the set 10, 20, 30, 40, okay, like this, right? If it is the frozen set, internally how it is going to represent, sir? Frozen set are 10, 20, 30, 40, like this it's going to represent. If you print, this is the style we are going to get. If you observe this, all these data types always talks about a group of individual objects, a group of individual values. Sir, this is the first value, second value, third value, fourth value, like. So all these data types always talks about a group of individual objects. But sometimes my requirement is, I want to represent objects as key value pairs. Regarding I want to represent objects as key value pairs. Something like roll number name related, right? Roll number and the corresponding name. Next, sir, mobile number and the corresponding address. Mobile number and the corresponding address, something like. So if you want to represent a group of objects as key value pair, then we can't use these data types. For that, compulsory we should go for next data type. What is that next data type? Is dict data type, right? Are you in the position to understand, right? When we should go for dict data type? If you want to represent a group of objects as key value pairs, then we require to go for dict data type. Okay, well, sir, dict means what? Can you please respond? Dict means what? Dictionary. Dict means what? Dictionary. Okay, dictionary, in our Oxford dictionary, if you go for English dictionary, how the things will be there? Sir, word and the corresponding meaning. Are you getting? Word and the corresponding meaning, correct, right? So key value, the same thing is applicable even in our Python dictionary also. Okay, like, sir, how you can represent? What is the syntax for that, right? D is equal to, sir, curly brace open, key colon value. Are you getting? Key K1, sir, colon V1, okay, comma. So first key value, okay. Now K2 colon V2, second key value, okay. Now K3 colon V3, like you can take any number of key values, which is nothing but what? Dictionary. The most commonly used data type in Python, man. Dictionary is also one of the commonly used data type only. So just let me go for a small chota example. Here I am taking 100 is the roll number and corresponding name Durga. 100 Durga, like. Next 200 I am taking the corresponding name Sunny, okay, like I am taking. Sir, 300 the corresponding name is Chinny, like I am taking, sir. Have you observed? This is a dictionary. Itself is a dictionary, sir. 100 Durga, 200 Sunny, 300 Chinny, like. Sir, this is the key. This is the value. 200 is the key. Sunny is the value. 300 is the key. Chinny itself is the value, right? If you want to represent a group of key value pairs, then we require to go for what? Dictionary concept. Is it clear, right? Sir, let me execute this one. Let me show what type it is. Observe carefully, sir. Here I am taking a simple example. D is equal to 100 colon, okay, Durga, like this I am taking, sir. Next 200 colon Sunny, like I am taking. Sir, 300 colon, okay, some Chinny, like I am taking, sir. Chinny, like this I am taking. So how many key value pairs are there? 3, sir. First key value pair, observe carefully. This is the first key value pair. Next second key value. Next third key value pair, like total 3 key value pairs are available. Print of type of D. Print type of D. If I can take, what is the answer we are going to get, sir? Itself is the dict. itself is the dict data type, right? Sir, any doubt about this terminology, right? So what is the dict? How to declare? What is the syntax for the dict? When we should go for dict data type? Now the terminology is very clear. Now observe, I hope you are getting clarity what is the dict, sir. Sir, how you can create dict? Just now I told this is the way. Observe carefully, sir. D is equal to, sir, 100 colon Durga. Okay, like this is the first key value. 200 colon, okay, Ravi, like this. I can take, this is one style, sir. If you know all key values at the beginning, happily, you can create like this. But sometimes my requirement is, array, can you please create empty dictionary, and then you can add the key value, like this is about my requirement, right? How you can do that? D is equal to curly brace open and close. Sir, just I created empty dictionary. Sir, by default curly brace open and close. What is this type? Dictionary, but not set a type. Remember, sir, it is empty dictionary. Now I want to add the key value, one key value. What is the option, sir? Very simple. D of sir, key. D of key is equal to value. Like this is the syntax, right? If you want to add one key value to the dictionary, D of key is equal to value, automatically this key value by default will be added to the dictionary, right? Now D of 100 Durga. D of 100 Durga. So 100 Durga will be added to the dictionary. Similarly, D of 200 Ravi, like this I am taking, sir. 200 Ravi, like this I am taking. Sir, now how many key values are added to the dictionary? 2 key values, right? Now print of D, sir. What is the answer we are going to get is, remember that here 100 colon Durga, 100 colon Durga, 200 colon Ravi, like this we are going to get. But one important rule what you people should be aware, otherwise no guarantee in the dictionary. Remember this one, sir. In the dictionary, all key value pairs will be added based on hash code of the keys. Okay, so internally for every object hash code is there. Based on that, the entries by default will be added as of now. So don't worry about this hashing. Just aware only one point, sir. Yes, order is not important in the dictionary. Remember that. Have a look once. This style, let me create object. Here I am taking D is equal to empty. What I am trying to do, can you please spell out? Just I am creating empty dictionary, right? Now D of 100 is equal to Durga I am taking. One key value pair by default added. If you want, just observe print of D. Print of D. One key value pair I added. Print of D is 100 colon Durga. Like this we are going to get. Sir, now I am taking D of 200 colon Ravi. Sir, now second key value also I added, sir. Now observe, sir, how many key values I added to the dictionary? 2 key values. First key value, second key value, right? So if you want to represent a group of objects as key value pairs, then our hand should go for what? Dictionary. List, tuple, set, frozen set, these things are meant for individual objects. But here we require to go for what? This concept itself is the dictionary concept. But here make sure there are some small loopholes are available. In the dictionary, can you please tell what these things 100 and 200? Please confirm. 100 and 200, these things are what? Keys. And Durga, Ravi, these things are what? Values, right? Key value. Okay, like. Now my question here is, duplicate keys allowed or not allowed? Are you getting? Duplicate keys allowed or not allowed? Very important points are, duplicate keys are not allowed, but the values can be duplicated, no problem at all. Duplicate keys are not allowed, but values can be duplicated. Then immediately, if I am trying to insert one key value pair, where duplicate key, what will happen, sir? Observe that, array 100 and 200 keys are already available. Now D of 100 is equal to Shiva. I'm taking, sir. D of 100 is equal to Shiva. I'm trying to take. If I can take D of 100 is equal to Shiva, what will happen? Respond, friends. What will happen? If the duplicate keys are allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Then can I get error or not? Ayo, respond. Very important. So in dictionary, duplicate keys are not allowed. If you are trying to insert an entry with a duplicate key, one key value pair with a duplicate key is already available, what will happen, sir? Will get error or any other scenario. Okay, very simple. We won't get any error. Okay, so if you are not going to get error, then this key value will be added. No. What will happen is, if this key already available, then what is the value associated with this 100? Durga is the value associated with this 100. If the key already available, then old value replaced with this new value. Remember this one. Old value will be replaced with the new value. Sir, if you print of D, what is the output we are going to get, sir? Very simple. 100. Earlier 100 associated with which person, sir? Durga. But now 100 associated with Shiva, comma 200 associated with Ravi, like this, right? So it's a very clear, duplicate keys are not allowed. If you are trying to add a duplicate key, old value will be replaced with the new value. We won't get any error. Remember that interview person may ask, oh, in the dictionary, duplicate keys are allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. If I'm trying to insert duplicate key, am I going to get error or not? No. Old value will be replaced with the new value. Okay, let me show this one. Have a look once, sir. Already I have two key values are there. Two key value pairs are available in my dictionary, sir. 100 Ravi, Durga, and 200 Ravi is there, sir. Now my question is, observe very carefully, sir. I am trying to take D of 100 is equal to Shiva. Like this I am taking. Print of D I am taking, sir. So earlier I am trying to print. Now I am trying to print. What will happen, sir? Observe the difference. Observe the difference in both outputs, right? First time 100 associated with Durga, but now 100 associated with Shiva. Very important point, sir. In dictionary, duplicate keys are not allowed. If you are trying to insert a duplicate key, what will happen? Old value will be replaced with the new value. Friends, everyone got clearly, right? Okay, well, sir, you know this Dict concept available in other languages also. Best example, in Java we can use the word map concept in Java, but in Python we are going to use what? Dict concept, right? Sir, next, from this discussion, can you please tell what are various important conclusions about this dictionary, sir? So the first thing, meant for representing a group of key value pairs. If you want to represent a group of key value pairs, then we require to go for dictionary concept. Next, order will be preserved or not? No guarantee at all. Okay, order not applicable. Remember this one. Next, duplicate keys allowed or not? Duplicate keys. Can you please spell out? Duplicate keys allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. But duplicate values allowed or not? Yes, values you can take. Duplicate values you can take, no problem at all. Duplicate keys are not allowed, but values can be duplicated. Sir, where is the proof? How you can feel duplicate values? Observe this. Have a look once, sir. I am taking here, see this. D is equal to 100 colon Durga. 200 colon Durga. Okay, 300 colon Durga. Sir, how many key value pairs are there? 3 key value pairs. But sir, keys are different. But values are always the same. Values are same. No issue at all, because duplicate values are allowed. But I'm not taking any duplicate keys. Acceptable. Let me execute this code. Yes, 100 Durga, 200 Durga, 300 Durga. Acceptable. Remember this one, sir. So duplicate keys not allowed. Values can be duplicated, right? Next, heterogeneous objects. Heterogeneous objects heterogeneous objects means different type of objects allow for both keys and values. Keys should be same type, value should be same type, no such type of terminology. Keys different types you can take, values you can take different types, acceptable, right? Next, very very important terminology. Can you please tell, is the dict either mutable or immutable? You respond, is it mutable or immutable? Sir, mutable because you can add something, you can add something, you can replace something, all the possibilities you saw already. That's why it is mutable. Next, yes, order is not important. That's why indexing, slicing, these concepts are not applicable for the dict. Remember this one, indexing concept, slicing concept, these things are not applicable, right? Now the terminology is the very clear for you people. Now everyone got the basic idea what is the dict concept. Sir, here this is just the overview, basic idea, but the dict concept we are going to discuss minimum 3 to 4 hours. There we are going to explore API, next dictionary comprehension, like multiple things are available. There we have to discuss in detail with examples. My intention is everyone should get a basic idea about all possible data types which are there in the Python. For that I'm talking about this. Any doubt? Clear, right?